Now that I've been harvesting from the raised bed garden, I thought that maybe I should have a planter box as well, just to increase my veggie planting capacity. So I've been researching on Pinterest and various other sources and came up with my own sketch. I'll show you right now. So this is my sketch here. I'm going to basically build a timber structure that will hold two 50 liters plastic containers, and later on, not today, I will then clad it with the decking timber. So that's basically just to make it look nice, and then I can then build in a cabinet, two cabinet doors, and then I can store all of my frequent use gardening tools underneath it. So today, this is what we're going to be building. That was a bit difficult, wasn't it? I guess that an 18-volt circular saw is not really capable of ripping timber. Okay, so now the plan is to assemble the four legs and that horizontal piece, but I'm actually going to move it down. And after I've done that, I'm going to add this two long pieces like that. All right, let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to add this long bit between the two, like this. See how that goes. I've also got these pocket hole square jig. I think they're from Aliexpress. So let's see how good they are. This was new and I've only used it once, and It's already taken off some of the metal here, and so did the same here, taken off some metal in the bore. So this is going to allow the soil to have enough drainage. Okay, so let's check in on the Chinese cabbage, bok choy and choy sam that I put in 3 weeks ago. They were seedlings then. Today they look like you know, the Chinese cabbage especially, they're not mature yet, but I think I can start harvesting them. They look really nice and tender. I'm going to harvest these today. So you see these plants, that's the watermelon, and these are 2 rock melons. They're quite nice and healthy now, but I'm still not ready to put them on the ground because, as you can see, bugs are already eating them, so I think they've got to harden up a little bit more. And then here, these were the second batch of seedlings. These are salads, and this is the second batch of choy sam. And I bought some seedlings here. I think one's a cucumber and one's a courgette. But as soon as I put them in the ground, they got eaten badly. Like, it's just lost all its leaves, and these are new grown leaves. So same thing, I'm going to let them grow and harden up, get bigger before I put them in the ground.